So now I'm gonna write my shopping list down. So mom's gonna read the things I need.
Okay, the first item you need to purchase is cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
C-R. E.
E.
A. M. And then the second word is cheese. C-H. E-E.
Cheese.
C-H.
C-H.
E-E.
E-E.
S-E. Okay, guys. At this point, Isaiah has his first ingredient listed down, and I am going down the list for the remaining ingredients, spelling each word out to him as he creates his shopping list. After his shopping list is created, we're going to take a ride to the grocery store. Hey, where are we going?
We're going to the store.
We're going to the store. Where are we going to get?
Food. Not food. Ingredients.
The ingredients?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Cool. Let's go. All right, guys. So we're at the grocery store. We're searching for a cart. And then we're also trying to get these ingredients that's on the list. He gets distracted by items that he see on these end caps. He picked up a can of tuna, which is totally not on the list. But subsequently, we had to leave this store because they did not have what we needed. What's the first item on the list?
It is C-R-E-A-M.
Cream cheese?
Cream cheese.
Okay. So go straight ahead. All the way to the back.
Down.
So did you find the cream cheese? How much is that one?
$59.
$59. That's mighty expensive for some cream cheese. We need something that's cheaper. All right, guys. So after seeing the cream cheese that was $5.59 and not $59, I redirected Isaiah to the cream cheese that was actually $2.19. We went over the numbers a little bit to help him understand how to read them a lot better, but in the end, he selected the one that was a little bit cheaper and within his budget. Go to the next item.
Oh, this one. P-E-A-N-E-T.
Peanut butter. Go to the peanut butter aisle. Isaiah's learning how to read the signs for each of the aisles so he'll know which aisle to go in for the ingredient that he's looking for. Akila forgot the cart, so we had to run back and get the cart. And then Isaiah was also looking at the prices to make sure that he chose the appropriate one for our budget. Okay, guys, we spent a lot of time in the sugar aisle. Now, granted, there is a lot of sugar to choose from, but there was a lot of reading because we had to find brown sugar. Unfortunately, Isaiah kept overlooking it no matter how much it was right there in his face. So I had to help him out with this one a lot.
Are we buying this, guys?
Okay. So the last ingredient, or actually product, that we needed to get from our list were apples. So we headed over to the produce section. As we previously done with all other items, we checked the pricing, and as two youngsters would want to do, they were checking out the scale. Although we were buying a bag of apples, the scale did not apply in this process, but they had an opportunity to see how that worked out. And then we proceeded over to the checkout lanes. Isaiah tried to find a lane that was rather quick in order for us to get out of the store. They placed their items on the conveyor belt, and of course, their mother paid for their items. And once all of that was done, we went to find Daddy.